In this video, we're going to look at choking for a child. So if we suspect a child is choking, we need to go and ask them, are you choking? They should be able to nod their head. If they can speak, they're not. We then need to perform up to 5 back slaps using the heel of one of your hands. Now you might need to get the child to stand up, or you can do it in a position where they are. It all depends on your ability to be able to support them and also slap them between their shoulder blades. So up to 5 back slaps, checking their mouth or listening to see if the blockage has come out. After that, we're then going to perform up to 5 abdominal thrusts. If it still hasn't come out, we're then going to call the ambulance. And then we're going to come back and we're going to repeat up to 5 back thrusts, up to 5 abdominal thrusts. And we're going to keep on going until either it comes out or, unfortunately, drop to the floor unconscious and they stop breathing. That's when we go straight to CPR and we start off with compressions. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well so you don't miss out on any of our videos. And please comment below